Right guys, hope everybody's doing fandabidozy. I recently watched a video, very inspiring video. I recommend you watch it. There'll be a link in the description below for those who haven't watched it. I can't imagine it's many, but I'm going to put a link in the description. And basically it's to Resto Rob's channel. Now he had some vice grips, but these were very, very unusual. The front end of them were like really unusual, like I don't know, I've never seen anything like it before. I'm not sure what they're used for, but they were really interesting anyway. And he did a restoration on these pliers, and you know, the old standard, you know, mold grip, vice grip, pliers. And I've had these for a while, and if you can see the condition, pretty rough, you know, rough old condition on them. They've been to welders, so there's plenty of weld splatter and rust, and oh, that looks yummy, doesn't it? So lots and lots of rust, and you know, it's gone past the plating, and so I'm not sure what I can do with these, but I thought I'm sure I can improve them a little bit. I mean, I don't know if they'll come out as nice as Resto Rob's did, but I'm going to do my best. So yeah, I thought I'm going to give these a go because Rob did such a fantastic job on his and such a great video. I thought I'm going to join the party. So in the description, in the heading below, will be a link to the video which I'm referring to. Go check it out. Go have a look at his channel. It's a fantastic channel. I'm sure 99% of you have already been there and subscribed, but there might be one of you who hasn't. It's a wonderful channel, and he does an amazing job of these. Rob, you should be really proud of yourself on those. So let's get these in the evaporust, and let's see how they come out. All right? Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Right guys, so remember what they looked like before. Right guys, so we're done. That was a quick one. So we had a vice grip brand, Newport, England. GT, made in England, I think Wales, England. They've come out reasonably well. I think they were in much better condition than the other ones. They just had some weld splatter, but it seems to have come off pretty well. And these obviously have the reverse because you push downwards on them to open them, which I think is a better design. So these are actually in rather good condition, to be honest. You can see the evaporuster took all the rust off that spring. Done an excellent job. So yeah, pretty happy with those. Those have turned out well. And then we've got the Ghidorah ones. The Ghidorah, is it 138? 138. They push also positive, but the spring's not as good. I think I prefer the Vice Grip brand, but I imagine these are pretty expensive when they're made. Ghidorah don't make cheap tools. So I bought these on the flea market. I think I paid about £6 for the two of them, but obviously they were rusted up. But it was a very quick clean up. I didn't do what Resto Rob did and actually go further on the pits. I just cleaned the rust off and got them in a presentable, usable condition, and I left it like that. So I'm pretty pleased with how they've turned out. It's a nice, quick and easy little restoration, and it's cleaned up some usable tools. So that's fantastic. So once again, check out Resto Rob's channel. I've put a link in the description below. He has some amazing stuff. I'm sure 99% of you have been there, but he does some amazing restorations and tool hauls and all sorts of exciting stuff. Thanks again, Rob, for the idea to finally get these cleaned up and a little bit, you know, presentable. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye.